What's up, everybody? We are out here finally on the 2012 Dyna Switchback and absolutely loving it. Now, the one thing I think I'm gonna need to probably do when recording videos for this bike is to actually run it with the windshield. I haven't ran the windshield on this bike since I picked up the Ultra. So this is more my kind of fun bike now, feel the wind, everything like that. But for recording on it, I think I'm definitely going to need the windshield. So I can already hear the wind just in my helmet. And we're cruising speed limit right now, so I can go down just a touch and just see. Oh yeah, a little loose bit helps. But here she is, my baby, the 2012 Dyna Switchback. It's an absolute blast to ride. It is super light feeling, very maneuverable, corners like a beast. Can also do long trips, as I've done a lot of long trips on this bike, and it has never once let me down. We are just heading out to Tillicum, just a nice little short ride. I got some editing and other stuff I need to work on today, but I had to get out for a ride on this bike, and I just love this thing. All the last other videos have been on the Ultra because that's the newest bike to me, and we have our travel videos, and we were doing the parts, and we were breaking other stuff, and we did our first moto vlog. But now we're going to be doing a bunch on this girl too, because this is kind of where it started a little bit. Where I got more into biking is on this girl. This is the one I've had the longest. This is the bike I have the most kilometers on. And this is the bike I'll hopefully will always keep. So, the Dyna Switchback. She is an interesting girl. It's kind of like a baby Road King, if that makes any sense too. It came with the quick detachable windshield, comes with the quick detachable bags. So you can go from full tour mode to a more sleek look within under 2 minutes. What makes it great about that is like times like right now, well, I should have put it on, it's a little windy, but the windshield ain't on. So I can actually feel all the wind. And right now I am running the bags for all the camera equipment, my wallet, everything like that, because I don't usually run a backpack. So this bike also came with a quick detachable passenger backrest and rack, which I used all the time when I'm traveling, because that's how you strap your bags down to her. I can show a quick picture here, and that's how loaded you can get these bikes. But I do have the packing dialed on this bike. For week-long trips or 2-day trips, I can get everything put on this bike and have it be very comfortable. We're still working on the Ultra, as well, we've only done our one camping trip on it so far, or 2-dayer. So we got to figure out some tweaks. I'm thinking about getting a tank bag for camera gear, just little stuff like that, figuring out what more we could use or what did we bring that we didn't need, and better placement for in the trunk and in the bags, and what other bags to bring. Like, there's so many options for these bikes, it's absolutely crazy. So on this girl, we got 51,681 kilometers on her, and she is running strong and have very little issues to none. I think we did just your standard servicing and a couple tires. But we actually have a new front tire for this girl, because the front tire actually has some cupping going on, so it is giving bad wobbles to the bars and the bike and everything. I'm still going to run it for a while, but before I do a decent sized trip on this, because yes, we're going to be moto camping on this girl too. This is where the big moto camping started. We did do some on the boulevard, but not as much as we've done on here, and for like makes sense, we've owned this for longer. So here we are though. This is Tillicum. It's a nice quick 15 minutes out of Camrose. We do a lot of fishing out here, and we do kayaking out here. You are allowed boats out here too. The ice fishing is awesome out here. I'll throw another picture up of me taking this girl out when ice fishing shacks were still out. Ooh, oh, it's turning all green. This is gorgeous. I love it when all the growth comes in on the sides of the roads. Oh, we got some fishers out there. We got the docks in. Perfect. We got little fire pits placed around everywhere. So there is a small town out here too. Ooh-wee. Isn't she pretty? Awesome. Isn't it just gorgeous out here, you guys? It's a nice little pretty spot where you can come hang out. We would usually just throw in our kayaks right here, and that way we can just paddle around. Alright, we took some pictures, did some relaxing, and now we're gonna get back on the road. Oh, just such a pretty spot. Wouldn't that be awesome to have a place out here? Oh, it's just beautiful. Well, alrighty guys, that was Tilcom. This is the Dyna. You're gonna be seeing her a whole lot more. I think I'm gonna try with the windshield for vlogging next time because of the wind. If you guys could, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much, as I am just getting started into this and learning, and every video will be getting better and better, I promise. Remember to check us out on Lazar and the Open Road on Instagram. That's where we post a bunch of the photos we take when we go on these rides, and there's a bunch more on what we're doing on the side. Also, check out lazarantheopenroad.com. That is our blog page. You can find out more about me, more about the bikes, what I've owned in the past, my current ones, and blog posts on what I'm doing, trips, campsite reviews, and just a whole bunch of fun stuff. But otherwise, you guys ride safe, and we will see you guys on the open road.